You ever feel like your car's just tired? The engine sounds fine, no warning lights, but something's off. A little less power, worse mileage. Maybe that uneven idle that drives you crazy? Yeah, that's probably your fuel injectors begging for attention. Over time, carbon and fuel residue start to build up inside those tiny nozzles. And when that happens, the spray pattern, the thing that makes fuel burn efficiently, gets all messed up. The result: poor performance, wasted gas, and a sluggish ride. But here's the good news. You don't need to tear your engine apart to fix it. Today, we're breaking down 9 ways to clean your fuel injectors without removing them. From the easiest, lazy methods to the hardcore deep clean. So buckle up, and let's bring that engine back to life. All right, starting simple. The easiest way to clean your injectors is using a fuel system cleaner right in your gas tank. Grab a bottle that has PEA, that's polyethyramine, the chemical that actually dissolves carbon buildup. Chevron Techron, Redline SI1, or Gum Out Regain are all solid options. Here's the trick though. Don't pour it into a full tank. Add it when you've got about a quarter tank left, then fill up. That way, the concentration is strong enough to actually work. Do this every few thousand miles, and trust me, it'll keep things running smoother than you'd think. Now, this one's old school, but it works. Mechanics call it the Italian tune-up. Basically, you take your car for a spirited drive. I'm talking 15 to 20 minutes at highway speeds, keeping the RPMs up. Why? Because that heat and pressure help burn off carbon deposits that build up when the car's driven gently or short distances. Just make sure your engine's healthy before trying this. No weird noises, no check engine lights. And please, don't turn it into Fast and Furious. It's a tune-up, not a drag race. If your car sits around a lot or runs on lower quality gas, try a detergent-based additive. These help dissolve sticky gunk and keep your injectors lubricated. Add it once a month or before long drives. And it'll also help fight ethanol corrosion if you're using E10 or E15 fuel. Think of this as brushing your teeth. Not a deep clean, but it keeps the grime away. All right, let's step it up. If you're comfortable under the hood, you can use a pressurized fuel injector cleaning kit. It hooks up to your car's fuel rail Schrader valve and runs a cleaning solution through the system, under pressure, while the car runs. This mimics what shops do, but you can do it at home for about $40 to $60. It's a bit more hands-on, but the results? Instant. Smoother idle, better throttle response, and a cleaner burn. Just follow the instructions closely and be careful. The cleaner is flammable. Always disconnect the fuel pump fuse so you're not mixing gasoline with the cleaning fluid. This one's for those sticky deposits inside the intake and around the valves. While the engine's running, spray an intake cleaner through the throttle body in short bursts. Don't flood it. Just little sprays so the cleaner gets pulled into the system and burns off carbon inside. You'll see a bit of smoke. Totally normal. That's just carbon leaving the building. Do this every few months, and your car will thank you. Now, if you don't feel like getting your hands dirty, take it to a shop. They'll hook up a pressurized machine directly to your injectors and run professional-grade cleaner through the system. It's usually around $100 to $200, and it's one of the most effective, non-invasive methods out there. Your injectors get flushed under controlled pressure. No disassembly needed. It's quick, safe, and worth it if you've got high mileage or rough idling. This next one technically removes the injectors. But listen, it's the deepest clean possible. Shops use ultrasonic machines that blast carbon off with high-frequency vibrations. It restores the spray pattern almost like new. If your injectors are really clogged, this is your last stop before replacement. Now let's talk prevention. Don't cheap out on gas. Use top-tier certified fuel, brands like Shell, Chevron, or Mobil. They already have detergents that keep injectors clean. That's why some cars stay smooth for 100,000 miles, and others start choking at 40. The difference? Fuel quality. And here's the thing. No cleaner can save your engine if your habits ruin it. Replace your fuel filter on schedule. Drive long enough for the engine to reach full operating temperature. Keep your air filter clean, because bad airflow means incomplete combustion, and that's more carbon. Small habits, big difference. Sometimes, cleaning won't fix it. If you've got hard starts, rough idle, or a cylinder misfire, and you've tried everything, your injector might be dead. Check the resistance or listen for clicking. If it's silent, it's done. Cleaning helps dirty injectors, not broken ones. So know when to stop wasting cleaner and replace them. So, quick recap. Fuel cleaner in the tank, Italian tune-up, detergent additives, pressurized cleaning kits, throttle sprays, pro services, ultrasonic cleaning, top-tier gas, and clean driving habits. 9 simple ways to bring your injectors and your car back to life. Because here's the truth. The most expensive car repair is the one you could have prevented with a $10 bottle of cleaner. If you learned something new, drop a like, subscribe to Auto Nerds, and tell me in the comments. Which method are you going to try first? See you in the next one.